Hey girl, okay, so I hope you don't think I'm ignoring you because I'm sending you a lot of videos. It's not that I don't want us to do this together. I'm having to do this too, so I'm just taking a video of it. You need to go to Seesaw and you'll be right here and come down here to students, click students, down here, edit students, and you just have to remember to do this every time you need to add students. You have to remember to do this every time you get new kids, and I will tell you there's going to be times where you totally forget until you're trying to get them the information to sign in, and then you're like, oh my God, I forgot. So then you have to do this. It takes like 2 minutes to do it. It's not that bad. So once you get to this point, you need to come here and just start typing in your new kids' names. Jalen Davis is I'm going to do all three of mine while I'm here so you don't have to like stay for the whole thing. But you need to find yours. So now you're coming down. Jalen. Am I an idiot? Yeah, I'm an idiot. It's not Davis, it's Daly. All right, so there's my kid, and then I'm going to add to class. Okay, then I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to do my other one because I've got 3. Jackson, Clark, and then go find them. Is he not even on here? Jackson. Did I spell it wrong? Jackson, Clark. Okay, so then if you run into one of those, then we ask Ryan about it. So hold on just a second. So then you're going to put in, I've got another one. Stay with me for just a minute. Joshua Bland. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to add him to the class now. Come over here. I've got 2 students to add to the class. And now you're ready to go. Because now I've got to get home learning codes. All right, that's it. Bye.